Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. Watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that the solution or the solutions helped you right there. And if they did, please consider subscribing my channel. I would love it. Thank you. Bye.